Good morning, students. In continuation of the improvement in food resources, we are going to discuss about the activities for improving the crop yield. Okay, approximately 400% food grain production has been increased in the year of 1952 to 2020. However, the cultivable land area has increased by the 25% only. So then this improvement is achieved by the three agricultural practices. One is the selection of the seeds for planting, the nurturing of the crop plants, and then the protection of the growing crops and then harvested crops from the loss. Okay, then the various tasks are performed by the farmer to produce the good crop is called as the agricultural practices. So it needs systemic planning, and then we know about the system, agricultural practices. It starts from the preparation of soil to the storage, harvesting and storage. Okay, the major activities for improving the crop yield are in the three approaches we can improve that. One is the crop variety improvement, and the another one is the crop protection management, and then crop production management. So these three ways the improvement in the yield. First one is crop variety improvement. A good variety of the crop which is gives the better yield in the minimum time, resource and land. Okay, so for that we need to improve the desired characters such as the high yield of the crop, and then resistant to the pest, and then better quality of the seeds, and then diseases. Okay, resistant to the diseases. These are all the desired characters. So how we can develop the desired characters? Through the genetic makeup of the crops. Genetic makeup of the crop. What is by the plant breeding and then manipulation method. First one, plant breeding. What is plant breeding? Plant breeding can be defined as the improving of the genetic makeup of the plant is called as the plant breeding. Okay, genetic manipulation means the incorporation of the desirable characters in an organism by various methods is called as the genetic manipulation. What are all the manipulation method is that? First one is the hybridization, and the next one is the mutation, DNA recombinant technique or rDNA technique. What is the DNA recombinant technique? A gene from organism can be inserted into the DNA of another organism to raise a plant is called as the transgenic species. That is called as the rDNA technology. So first one we are going to discuss about the hybridization. What do you mean by the hybridization? Hybridization is the process of crossing between the genetically dissimilar plants to produce a new kind with the desired traits is called as the hybridization. Okay, what is the crossing between the genetically dissimilar plants? Okay, so there will be three types of hybridization is there. One is the intravarietal hybridization, and then intervarietal or intraspecific hybridization. The next one is the interspecific hybridization or intrageneric hybridization. First one is the intravarietal hybridization. What do you mean by the intravarietal hybridization? Intravariety, the variety of the crop. The variety of the crop. First one, the crosses are made between the plants of the same variety. Okay, example, if you are taking the pea plant, the cross between the same pea plant, that is called as the intravarietal hybridization. Okay, so the cross between the different variety of the same plant species is called as the intervarietal species hybridization. The next one is the intervarietal or intraspecific hybridization. Okay, it is the crosses between the different species of same genus. Different species of the same genus. Example, some other plants is there. Some other example, Phyllanthus, Amaranthus, Phyllanthus, Neruri. These are all comes under the same Phyllanthus genus. But Neruri, Amaranthus, it will be different species. So the crosses between the same genus, but the species are differ. That is called as the intraspecific or intravarietal hybridization. The last one is the intergeneric hybridization or interspecific hybridization. It is the cross between the different genus. different genus and then different species. That is called as the interspecific hybridization or intraspecific hybridization. Okay, so this is the hybridization technique. Thank you.